Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison for you.
We'll be taking a look at two popular dash cams, the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam and the ROVE R2-4K dash cam. Get ready for some epic showdown.
Let's kick things off with video quality.
Both of these dash cams offer impressive recording capabilities, but there can only be one winner. The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam boasts a dual-lens 1080p camera, capturing crystal clear footage of the road front and inside the passenger cabin simultaneously.
It's the perfect choice for rideshare drivers who need that extra security.
Now let's dive into the features of these dash cams. The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam comes with a range of impressive features. It has infrared night vision, which is perfect for capturing footage in dark conditions. The 24-hour parking mode automatically records when motion is detected, and the looping recording ensures you never run out of storage space. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price.
The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam is priced at $199, while the ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes in at $119.
The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam has received positive reviews for its high-definition quality, night vision, inside-facing camera, and easy setup.
On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam is praised for its clear and sharp picture, ease of setup, and value for the price.
And that's a wrap. We've compared the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam and the ROVE R2-4K dash cam in terms of video quality, features, and price. Both of these dash cams have their own strengths, so it ultimately comes down to what you prioritize.
We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons.
And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.